Hey, what's up, you guys?
It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning, and guess what we're doing?
We're waking up, but guess what else we're doing? We're also watching Harry Potter.
Yep, we're about to get some tattoos at 3 in the morning. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this.
Hey Morgan,
Hi.
what are you doing?
I'm about to get my tattoo
Where's it at?
on my butt cheek.
And what is it exactly?
Ashley's mom's name.
And Ashley's mom's name is Barbie. She's a lovely lady right there. She doesn't like the camera, so we're just going to come back over here.
Alright, let's do this.
Ashley, say hi before you start.
Hello. I'm tattooing another person's butt cheek.
This is a fun time. Okay.
You ready?
Yep. Oh. Alright.
How does it feel?
It makes my butthole kind of go like that. So, there's that.
Is that a good feeling or a bad feeling?
I don't know. What if I shit myself during this?
Please don't shit.
That's not sanitary.
Don't shit. That's
I should have made them sign a agreement clause. Alright.
There's nothing professional about this other than the fact that she's being really clean and using the actual sterile needles.
We'll check back in a minute.
Say bye to the people.
Hi guys.
It's happening! Oh yeah, hey everybody, I'm getting a tattoo on my ass cheek. Ow, fuck. That part hurt. Whatever you just did hurt.
Don't make me laugh. I might stab you in the butt cheek more than I already am.
You have anything to drink?
So this is how it's going so far. I know it's not very well lit, but we are not in proper facilities. Ashley, how do you feel so far?
Pretty good. I mean, I didn't stab her. Well, I did stab her, but you know.
She's not bleeding a lot, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you feel?
I'm falling asleep.
Do you want a Capri Sun?
I do.
Okay, I'll get you a Capri Sun.
Yay.
Hold this.
Catch. I needed some ink, so like this is like much needed ink therapy, even though it doesn't correspond with anything I plan on putting on my body, but oh well.
If you don't drink the strawberry kiwi Capri Suns, your mom's a hoe.
Sorry, Mom. No, I'm kidding.
Okay, you couldn't have like done this for me.
You know what?
Yeah, she's going through pain in her butt.
Okay, but like, can we just talk about the fact that like, look at my face, okay? No eyeliner, good eyebrow. It's starting to go away.
Why
Can we
are
just-
you clenching your butt?
Can we just talk about this? I'm going through it right now, you guys. I'm going through it. I'm having a moment. I'm very tired. I haven't even gotten my tattoo yet. And I'm very
One
fucking
swift
tired.
thing through, and I got it in. Yay.
Congratulations, you're not
That's
a toddler.
what he said.
Alright, we'll check back in. Peace.
Bye. Bye. That right there is the face of concentration.
Pretty well.
Morgan, how's your butt?
Sore.
Sore? Smoking a cigarette, getting a tattoo, living her best life. Alright, Barbie, what do you think?
Looks good. Not that dark though.
Well, you gotta go over it.
Huh?
Oh, it's whelping? Oh my god, look how much is whelped.
Oh yeah, it's going well.
I got a T in the ass.
No, you don't.
It looks
You
good,
nasty hoe.
It happens.
What do you think of it so far?
I think it's really good, and I'm excited for mine. Except I'm scared it's gonna hurt, but it's fine.
Hey, I like the pain, so that's a good thing. I have 2 tattoos I've done myself. They're fun.
That is fun.
I gotta go over that one though. Mickey Mouse.
Alright, bear with us here, Morgan.
Here we go. I'll show you guys the finished product in a minute. Okay, guys, that's the finished product. How do you feel about your work, Ashley?
I actually did pretty good. I thought it would look terrible, and she would stab me with a rusty butter knife.
A rusty butter knife.
Yes, a rusty
Pan
butter
over to
knife.
me.
That's very specific.
My ass cheek hurts.
Well, yeah.
Like a lot.
Are you gonna go look at the mirror?
Maybe.
Go.
But my feetsies are cold!
Oh, I fucking gave you a blanket,
can't.
covered up your feetsies.
I can't.
It's fucking-
I can't. Ow!
Okay, I'll meet you at the mirror, okay? Okay, here we go.
Dude, oh hell yeah, that looks kind of cool. Dude, hell yeah.
You don't want to stab me?
No, man, you do good.
Aww.
Alright, Mom, you still awake?
No, she's snoring.
Oh, no, she's still awake.
Oh, dang it. I thought she was asleep.
Hold on, take a picture of it. I got the finished thing. You know? You want to hold it? You want to hold the tattoo gun? Kayla?
What?
The tattoo gun. You want to hold it?
Alright, Barbie.
That's good.
You're on my body forever. How does that make you feel?
And once I get better, eventually, your face will be right next to it.
Maybe. Alright, we're gonna tattoo up Kayla and we're gonna tattoo up Ashley. Let's see how this goes.
Well, since you got your tattoo, you want to do me next?
Yeah.
It's Ashley's turn.
And I'm doing the work. I've only tattooed one other time and it looked like shit, so let's see how this goes.
That was my brother. He deserved it.
We'll check back in here in a little bit.
Let's get set up.
Are you recording?
Yes.
She's putting the
Tattoo
tattoo goo on my butt. Oh yeah. Yeah, rub that in.
Okay, this got weird. This got weird real fast.
Alright, yeah, I put it right.
How does that make you feel? Powerful?
Oh yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Wish me luck.
Okay, I remember don't dip all the way down.
Yeah, because it could bend the needle, and then the needle will like stick to your skin and drag across it.
Alright, where should I start first?
Anywhere you're comfortable with starting.
Can I go with it going first and then put it to your skin? Or do I need to have it to your skin first and then?
No, you hold it down first before you touch.
Was that too deep? Was that deep at all? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
This is fucking great.
Oh, that vein felt amazing.
But, and we're all getting this, guys.
Okay.
Can you shine it down more? It's kind of in my eye holes.
Well, you know what? Your picky ass.
You're not gonna be mad at me if this doesn't look good, are you?
I tattooed myself not knowing if it was gonna look okay.
We're gonna check back in when she's done.
I didn't put gloves
Almost
on.
Done.
That's fine.
Now go. Okay, so this is my first pass through. I had to freehand a little bit, and for me not being an experienced tattooer at all, and I can't draw, I honestly think it looks okay.
Did you say tattooer?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Tattooist?
Tattoo artist. So there it is.
That's the first pass through.
Where's your little reference picture? Let's show them what it's kind of supposed to look like. For those of you who don't know, this is a triquetra, which is from the movie Charmed. It also means like things of threes. 3 people in this friend group. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. All right. So that's first pass. We'll show you after the last one. Bye.
Okay, so I think I'm done unless she wants me to do one more pass through. It looks like shit. I'm not gonna lie. We all know I'm not a tattoo artist here.
No, thank you on that last
She says
pass
no
over.
because she doesn't want it to stay. I really wish I was drunk right now so I had an excuse, but completely sober.
I'm sober too.
Alright.
So am I. I'm just
Well,
tired. I
now
swear.
it's Kayla's turn to tattoo Ashley.
I'm gonna do a free-handed smiley face somewhere on her body. I'm not really sure where yet. So let's do this. Hell yeah.
Alright, Kayla, what you doing?
I'm about to give Ashley a smiley face.
She's gonna freehand a smiley face, which I can tell you right now is gonna look a lot better than mine because I had to trace a line.
I'll do my whole Kayla's Ratchet tattoo salon thing if this goes well.
Alright, we'll check back in here in a brief moment. Alright, jump into it.
Okay.
Hand on the boob. I mean, that's a nice experience.
Okay.
Oh, I just accidentally poked it. Sorry.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. So do I poke your skin and then I go?
No, you start it and then poke the skin.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I need to be able. Why not go?
Just do it, Kayla.
Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna start with the dot. Is that okay? Did it do anything? Okay. How's that? Am I hurting you? Did it do anything?
I honestly do not know. I did not feel pain.
Okay.
We'll check back in here in a moment. See how this goes. Alright, so that was her first pass. She's gonna have to go again. How do you feel?
I feel okay. I feel like I can go and I'm not scared.
How do you feel?
I feel great. I need lots and lots of alcohol.
Same.
No, that makes your blood thin, honey. We're not doing this. Okay.
So, as you can tell, she needed to push in harder in some places, but
I was afraid.
She didn't go hard enough, you know?
she didn't
I like it
penetrate
hard.
good enough.
Not a good enough reason to use the word penetrate. But I gotta go hard in the paint now, so let's go.
Fail.
Don't try and be cool, kids. It doesn't work out ever. You piece of shit. Okay.
Yeah, it's sentimental. Deeper.
Like that?
Yeah.
Did you feel it that time?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I like the little
yeah.
lines on the smile. You did.
Okay, cool. This is the finish.
Well, no.
Product.
I'm gonna do one more little pass, like, on this side of the smiley face. But
yeah,
this side's
she
done.
freehanded a really good smiley face. You can't freehand that.
Morgan, do you want a smiley face?
Low key, kinda.
Okay.
She'll have to change the needle again, so only if it's
Fuck!
okay with her.
Yeah. I got enough.
But yeah,
I got no one
Kayla
else
did
tattoo.
good. I'm proud of you. Still learning that Kayla's better at a lot of things than I am. Unfair. Giving up on life.
Okay, it's just
It'll probably go in there.
Here.
Better if you like clean up, dry off some of the water.
All right. We got more tattoos to come though.
Okay, you guys. My phone died, so we didn't get to film my tattoos. Also, Morgan took a nap, which I don't blame her for because it's like 5 o'clock in the morning now. But Ashley is about to do tattoo number 4 for her tonight. And there's my triquetra. We don't really know why the ink didn't really take on my arm, but then I also got the smiley face. I chose blue ink because I like blue. Yeah. So, Morgan's about to get her second one of the evening. And then I don't know what we're gonna do.
Alright, guys.
Alright guys, we all got our tattoos. This hurt so much. I almost cried. But whatever. I hope y'all enjoyed watching us give tattoos and get tattoos. It was fun.
I look like I have a Hitler stash.
You got a little bit of black ink on your lip. But yeah, this was really fun and I really hope y'all enjoyed.
It was amateur hour, but it was fun.
Our next video is going to be me giving a haircut to Ashley. Well, so how this is going to work, we're going to break this up into like 3 different videos.
It's a 3-part series.
Woo! Woo! Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
And also, I'm sorry we didn't film any of my tattoos. We just my phone
I
kept
fell
dying.
asleep.
My phone kept dying, and we were just having technical difficulties. But anyway,
Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.
bye.